Hey, what's up everybody? This is Scott David with Repair DJ Gear. This is the first time I'm really reaching out to everyone on such a large scale with one source of content, which is this video. And I just want to say thank you to everyone who has worked with me. I'm glad to be of service to you and provide you with anything you need related to DJ equipment. And something I desperately need right now is to have your support with subscribing to this YouTube channel wherever you can, and that's pretty much all I'm asking right now. YouTube is changing their policies and the monetization will be lost for this channel if we don't hit those requirements. So thank you very much, and this is sort of the office right here where a lot of the repairs are done. So we got a green screen and some other good stuff, still working out the bugs. So alright, thank you very much, and if you need anything, let me know. Catch you later.